In this video, I'll teach you how to install the Reshade mod to make WWE 2K23 look ultra realistic like a TV quality. All you have to do is check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to Files and select the manual download option and select this slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. After the download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to option. After the extract done, you can now open a new tab and search Reshade and select the official Reshade site and select the download option and select download Reshade with full add-on support. After the download done, click on it and select OK and select the browse option and navigate to the game folder, guys. After you are in the game folder, select the game application file and select open option and select next. Select DirectX 10, 11, 12 and select next and select here browse option and navigate to the downloads configuration file that we downloaded. Select the Reshade configuration setting and select open option and select next option and select skip option and select finish. We have successfully installed the Reshade. Open the game and as you can see the Reshade is installed successfully. Just press in keyboard home key and select the continue option and again continue option and go to settings, effect toggle key, set a key you like. I'm gonna set it to 1. After setting this, go back to home and select the continue option and select the finish option and select the reload option and now you can press the toggle key. In my case I set it to 1 and effects are disabled right now. Press 1 to enable them. Just press the home key and start match. To open the Reshade panel, press the home key and now as you can see it shows effects are disabled. Press the 1 key in your keyboard to enable them and now this is the after results. Now to close this panel, press home key and this is what after the Reshade effects. And now we are going to before effects. As you can see over here, I'm going to press the 1 key and this is before and this is after. Boom, and it looks so good. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.